Di man to tight no? Mahuli kita mo. Padagat na punta, padagat. Kumana naman tagpabukid, padagat na punta. Misha, say hi. Hi. You excited? Yeah. Yes. There's no water. It's low tide. No. Yeah, no water. Parelax, parelax. Ate, say hi to the camera.
Hi, camera!
You go to the beach?
7 daw, 7 to 9.
7 to 9 ang dinner. Pwede mga 7 yun. May I never miss you.
Well, Papa.
Init man, init. It's very init.
Okay.
It's very hot. Layo. Mugawas ba nila? We're going to the garden.
What?
Garden. Yes. Stella Garden. We're here at Stella's Garden.
Heritage.
Saan na siya?
Mga heritage stick. Ito, sir. Bougainvillea.
Bougainvillea na kanang gi unsa na?
Din po.
Gi unsa tawag na kanang gi bonsai re, bonsai. Hala, chicken. There's a lot of chicken. Wag lagi hawakan ni siya. Tusikon kay karon There's an egg? Oo, there's an egg. Tuk, 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 tuk. Misha, don't touch the chicken kay tusikon kay ka Chicken. Chicken? Ano, mabantam mo? Bantam mo? Bantam. Nabuhay na sila, no? Yes, ada bantam yapon. Chicken. Oh, don't touch. Cannot bite yan. Oh, don't touch. Don't touch, ha? Hala, monkey. Ate, monkey. Monkey, Hi, monkey. Hi, monkey. Hala, suko. Tignan ko, monkey. Black ape. Doy, mingaw. Mingaw siya, siya isa.
Uy, MG.
OMG, dali na. Dito na punta. Misha, be careful. Misha, Oo nga, kalo. Ayan. Careful, ha. Careful. Careful. Gusto pa yung mga animals, mga hayop.
Pangsabong.
Pangsabong na diya.
Pero bawal pa na ako.
Bawal pa. Gaga breeding. Na rabbit, We go this way. Ati. Another one. Misha, dere. Come here. Video okay man. Black Saturday, video okay. Asa naman to sila? Sa mga kauban na to?
Nara, sir, no?
Nara dito, naunahan, nilusot na. Magbulag-bulag yun, no? Peacock. You want to see peacock? No? Parrot. You don't want? Come here na. Tara na. Naparot mi ate. Don't like it. Python. Na snake? Python. There's a python. Misha, come here. Misha, dali. Python. Ay! Ah, there's a python. Python. Here. Look. Albino. Manok kana mga pagkaon na po, manok ra po diyan no, mga kuan.
Whole chicken.
Full chicken yun no. Live yun.
Isa ka mo good for
1
1 week na.
week na niya. Ah, picture. Ate. Misha, smile. Yan, okay na.
There sir is Estella's Garden.
Stella's Garden.
Diri ang mga kulungan sa mga bird po. Pero na ay mga birds po sir katong wala gipang train na ara sa gawas.
Pero ang gipang train, gipang sulod yun, ipang kuwan yun, no? Direta sulod ta, di ane. Lots of bird here, oh.
Ako na pangalan mo. Ano na pangalan mo? Ano na pangalan mo? Ha? Ano na pangalan mo? Ano na pangalan mo? Boy!
Do not enter na dito, do not enter.
Mama, let's go now. Mom, Mommy, let's go now.
Let's go now.
Let's go to the next animal.
Careful ate ha, baka tama ka. Careful, ayaw anak.
Huwag ka maganyan.
Sige. Oh, sige. No, no. Misha, dito lang, dali na. Kaya magko na. Tired ka na? Sabi, karga papa, be, dali na. That. Build a castle. Ang octopus. What's that, Misha? What's that? Huh? Frog? That's not a frog.
That's Stegosaurus.
Tegasaurus? Daw? Ah, Tegasaurus. Ligo na tayo.
What?
Swim na ba? Swim.
Okay, I will finish this first. I almost finished, okay, Papa?
Okay. Spit ang kwan. Saan? Yan. Naligo na tayo. Dali na. Kami, ligo na. Ate, dali. Agay. Magkagunggoy. Misha is like a monkey, oh. Sige na, baba na, Misha. Hawak kay Papa. Oh, go to ate, dali. Go to ate, oh. Go to ate. Dili lagi, oh. Oh, yay. Oh, na, hawak, Papa. Hawak, Papa. No. Oh, Papa is here. Yay. Oh, swim. Swim, Misha. Nandito ang Papa Dunggoy.
Hey, Papa, watch! Papa, look.
Ah. Ay, kami na. Ayoko. May kwintas ba mahulog? Maputol.
Papa, watch!
Oh, look ate, oh. Look ate, swim ate, oh. Oh. Go to ate, be. Oh, go to ate. No. Why?
I can do it, sorry.
Are you afraid? Huh? Okay. Hawak, ganyan. Don't be afraid. Hindi lagi mag...
Yes, it's me.
Dili lagi manumos.
Yes, like me.
Okay. Up. Wow! Yawa na Micha na mo, eh. Micha. Oh. Ayaw, pag sikma diya, inday. Nung sikma diya kayo, oh, dirty.
Mom, watch! Oh, wala. I'm watching you.
That you will always be mine. That you wanna be free. To let you fly. Gamay bata. Maganda ko gamay lang daw. Marami ko kuha kasi di ko ganahan ba. Kanang tayo kung ganang gamay lang yun, ganang makatilaw na ko sa iyang kwan. Wala, okay na. Thank you. Kami. Chicken, chicken. Oh, chicken. Oh, yummy. Nangaltalan nyo. Kuha pa kay rice. Kuha na lang kay plato. Kuha na lang po siguro kay plato bago, no? Papa, mag-get pa ha? Okay.
Big warm welcome to our dear guests, wonderful parents and guardians, and of course our adorable little Easter bunnies. We're so happy to have you here at Club Summer Resorts to celebrate this fun-filled and colorful Easter Sunday. Today is all about joy, laughter, and creativity, and making special memories with your family.
Misha, go to mama.
Shout and raise your hand if you're excited today. I can't hear you. Are you excited? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Perfect!
Find the eggs, ate. Sige, ate. Sige, sige. Try to look. Wag dyan. Dito, ate, oh. Here. Try to look. Ah, dito. Dali. Ate, come here, dali. Ah, dito, ate, dali, ate. Try to look sa mga ganyan. There. Try to look. Try to look there, oh. There, in the plant. Tiri ba? Kabila. Dito, Miss. Wow! Dito, come here. You found the purple one? Okay. You look for another. Oh, here, pick it up. Yay! Oh, you found it. I'll put it in your bag. Ay, bakit ay? Basket. Oh, ate, go. Dali. Pick it up. Yan. Oh, here, ate. Dali, Misha, dali. Oh, wala na, dali na. Look for another. Oh, Misha, dali. Kasi mahulog sa swimming pool. Misha. How many eggs are you collected? Oh, 4. Look for here. Oh, Misha, dali na. Misha. Okay pa. Wala na? Okay. Okay, done na. Kay init. Ako na. Napa daw, dagan pa?
Again guys, sa pool and beach area lang po ang mga eggs. Maghanap rin kayo sa may sand po.
Oh, sa may sand. Oh, Misha, dito lang. Init kayo eh. Ano, dako na egg day, no? Dako.
For 2 person.
Ah, for
dito,
two.
ganyan. Mahal, dito na yan. 1.9
1.9
na.
na. Suka. Kuha. Wala na. Sayang.
Sa kanya nasa likod.
Nasa likod lang. Wala na. Okay na.
Sino pa yung nakakuha ng Gator patch ko?
Uy! Nakakuha ang dator ni? Wala.
Where's your mom?
Sige, ayusin. What color mi siya?
Red?
Pink na lang po na to,
Hey, Papa, that's my favorite thing.
Yes. Some water.
No. Then I would choose purple. This is my favorite purple. Mom, I need
Boiled egg siguro ni tayo, no? Kaya parang kaso mabulog ba? Di kayo makuhan ba?
After this activity, the kids will have a candy and a cotton candy. Dito lang po sa kilid ko.
Okay na ko.
I'm not done yet.
Pink tanan.
I choose pink. Wow! It's gonna be so pretty. I choose. Do you want pink? Pink.
Pink? Oh, pink.
Orange. I will choose
Careful, ha? This is mine. Careful. Huwag ikuha sa damit, ha?
I'm almost there.
Misya, eh.
I'm almost there.
Okay, almost na.
Little bit of.
Sama ni si Misya, sausaw di sa pula niya. Tundog sa tubig na yun. Mundot na damit, tarta.
Wait a minute. Wow! Look at that!
Oh, tama na. Ikuha na yan. Okay na yan. Na yan.
We're not done yet. We're not did it. I'm done!
Okay, done na. Ikot. Ay, smile. Sus, yung tagway.
Look at my eye! Wow!
Oh, smile usap. Look at the camera. Ah, sulo kay dagat oh. Walay ka tao-tao. Walay ka tao-tao kay Lunes na. Back to reality. Dali na, ligo na ta, dali na. Nanguli ka tanan mga tao. Gapon pa. Kami na nabilin. Ligo ta, ligo. Uli na punta ron. Sa ublin dagat oh. Ah, kami na, dali. Bakit man? What happened? Ate. Ade. What happened? There's an ants? Where? Where? No man, no. You want to ligo? Okay, ligo na tayo. Uwian na. Time check is 11 a.m. Thank you, Lord. Moment. Till next time. God bless us all.